The UAE signed a deal with India to settle trade in the Indian rupee instead of US dollars. My last BRICS video, a lot of people were asking who would even want to trade using the rupee. Well, apparently the UAE, so there's your answer. Last year's trade between the two countries accounted for $85 billion, so that's trade that the US dollar is going to miss out on. Don't forget to like and follow. And today, Binance has officially integrated the Bitcoin Lightning Network into its trading platform, but many are already complaining about its high fees. And in more news, more than 69% nice of the total Bitcoin supply has not moved in over 1 year, making it a new all-time high. Are we in for a supply shock in Bitcoin? This has been your Crypto
Newsflash.